AI is everywhere right now, but if you're in finance, you're probably wondering, okay, well, what does it actually do for me? Here are the 3 ways finance teams are already using AI, and I'm going to show you how we do it in Farseer. First up, predictive planning. Budgets used to mean taking last year's results, adding a percent or two, and then hoping for the best. With Farseer AI, the system looks at your actuals, it looks at your business drivers, such as, even external factors, exchange rates, the holidays, and it keeps your forecasts alive. This means every time new data comes in, it automatically updates your plan, so you never get stale budgets in Q3. The second one is variance analysis. If you have ever spent days in Excel trying to figure out why the numbers don't match the plan, this one is perfect for you. With Farseer AI, it just tells you revenue dropped because sales volume dropped in region B. So instead of asking what has changed, you already get the answers. And the third one, my favorite, scenario modeling. Finance is full of what ifs. What if costs rise? What if sales drop? And if done in spreadsheets, this can usually take hours. With Farseer, you just ask, what would happen if sales drop by 10%? What would happen if raw materials go up by 8%? So the model instantly shows you the direct impact it has on your P&L and your cash flow. So there you have it, predictive planning, variance analysis, and scenario modeling. These are the 3 ways finance teams are already using AI, and are working so much faster and so much better. If you're tired of spreadsheets, I think it's time for an upgrade.